Hi there. So today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 1026, maximum difference between node and ancestor. So in the problem statement, it's given that we are going to receive a binary tree and we have to find out the maximum difference in the tree between the parent node and any of its child node. Okay, so this is the crux of the problem statement we have received, and they have given that a node A is an ancestor of B if either any child of A is equal to B or any child of A is an ancestor of B. Okay, it's the same thing like the same parent and child node concept. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna solve this problem for each individual node. Okay, we're gonna break down to the solution to each and individual node, and we can do this using simple DFS approach. So what we have to do is we have to break and go through all the nodes and find out what is the maximum difference in the left subtree or in the right subtree. Whatever the maximum difference is, we're going to carry the same. Okay. So to do the same, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a helper function for doing the DFS, and I'm going to pass few values which includes node, the local minimum value and the local maximum value, because we are not certain as of now like what is the minimum and the maximum value. First check always should be if a node is not valid, we are going to simply return what we have received from our parameter, like max value minus min value, right? So this is basically what we want at the end. We want to find the difference between the maximum and the minimum value, maximum and the minimum value, right? Next, what we are going to do is we are going to check if, let's say we were getting in this, no, not in this case. Yeah, in this case, let's say, okay, we were at 2, right? And from the lower subtree, we were getting 0 as a lower, as a minimum value. So it should get updated, right? So to do that, we are gonna update the minimum value and we will compare minimum value which we have received and the value of the current node. And same for the maximum as well. Maximum of node.val. Okay, once we have passed this, we are gonna find the difference between the difference in the left subtree and in the right subtree using the recursive call to the same function. Okay, so the left difference should be DFS of left to the node and the updated minimum and maximum value. Yeah, it's in the same order. Fine. And similar to the left, we will continue for the right as well. Okay, and at the last, what I'm going to return from this helper function is the maximum of difference in the left subtree, sorry, and in the right subtree. This is done, and at the last, I'll initiate this recursive call from the root, and I'm going to pass the root dot value as the minimum and the maximum value as well. Yep, so the test cases got passed successfully. Let's submit for the scenarios. Yep, so the solution got accepted successfully, and last time I submitted, we were getting around 90% better result with the same solution. Not sure, why it degraded down to 30%, but that's fine. So thanks a ton, guys, for watching the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Thank you.